Hello everybody, Call of Legend here with another video. I'm down in my workshop thing down in my basement, and today we will be building a, what's it called? Just a little decorative wall shelf. There'll be a picture on screen now of what it's going to be, and we're going to be building that today. It's pretty sweet, easy. It's made from just an old pallet that I got that I tore all apart. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your tools. You're going to want to get all the tools you're going to use. So I'm going to use a tape measure, a square, a pen, a saw, hammers. You should only need one, but I use two in case I gotta pound, in case there's a nail or something I missed, and I don't know, you know. And your fastening material, which are these nails that I pulled out of the pallet. These nails are pretty handy, they're pretty nice. Some of them are bent, you know, from pulling them out, but oh well. You're going to want to move all that stuff out of the way. And get the material you're going to use. Just got a couple of the boards there. And one of the pieces that was the back side, or the inside of the pallet, the middle. Right. Then what you're going to want to do is, for this, mark it out 10 inches. Take your square, get it lined up nice and good right there. Make a solid mark all the way across, and then cut it out. And then you're going to want to cut out another one. After you get those two 10-inch pieces cut out, you're going to want to get the boards you're going to use, lay them out like this, and just kind of feel them up on kind of how you want to do it. You know, I'm going to have it kind of like that and that. And this piece over here, this piece that's kind of broken, it's going to be over here like this and that. And this wonderful piece right here should fit in the middle, but we're going to measure that out real quick and see if it fits. Five and a half about? Is it 5.5 inches? Yes. Yes, it will fit in the middle real nicely, just perfect. Right. So then you're going to want to cut them out on how you want. And now, they don't have to be exactly the same lengths, because you kind of stagger it and you'll see in a minute. So I think this is about how I want the shelves to be, like that about. That's pretty good. That'll go in the middle. So let's mark them. This one's already kind of cut. I don't know why, but let's just mark it there. And mark this one here. Move all this other stuff out of the way. Get them like this. Get them ready to cut. So when you're ready to cut, you come over like this, like so, and cut it out. Okay. We got one. Now we'll cut out the other one in just a second. Here's a little tip: if you don't want it to move around so much, just take a couple of nails in the holes that are already there. Just pound them in about halfway, you know, just a little bit, just to hold it. Now it's kind of, it's a lot more solid than it was before, basically. So, yeah. It's in place, it's real solid and nice. And we'll just cut this one out real quick. As you can see here, this sucks, but it's a good learning point. The wood's broken, but we can still use this piece. This other little piece is going in the scrap pile. You don't want like your shelves to be like one of them like this and then the other one like that, you know? Unless you're into that kind of thing. And that's how you want it. So, to make it so they don't do that, what I'm going to do here today anyways is take this, mark a line across the table, and then, how big were these? About like that, so we'd want it about there, and so about here, or you know, wherever. Exact measurements kind of matter, but not completely. Alright, so I mark it like that. And then you're gonna want to line your piece up there. And these will be straight. They will be the same no matter what. Unless you move them, which then it's your fault. And if you want them to be the same positions, just do that. You know. Alright, good. Now let's get to it. Let's see, this piece is going like this. I think that's a good spot. And this piece over here, which side do I want? Here. This one, I'm gonna come over like this. That. Probably move it in a moment. Which side do you want to look at? I think this side. Like that. And this piece. Ooh, we can break it. Make it look cooler. We have this piece like this. We're gonna have to cut this off. This piece like that, and this piece like this. And I think that will look pretty decent and nice. What about you guys? I think it'll look nice. The battery on this camera is about to die, so I'll be switching to another camera as soon as it does. So it might be a little bit better quality, might be a little worse, I don't know. So let's take care of this one first. Now, technically you should pre-drill the holes for this, but I don't have a drill, currently, so we're just gonna hope for the best. None of them split on the other one I made, so that's good. Alright. Somehow this thing has not died yet. It's been on red for like 12 minutes. But who cares? Alright, so now here's this. It's going to... Let's see if I can get the tripod to move. Get away from that light source. Come over here against this wall. It's going to sit on the wall like this. You know. It kind of looks cool with all that down below, but the wall space that this is for, I don't think has that much room, so we're going to cut that off. I'll show you how right now. Find a block. Simple as that. Put those back. Put this back. And yeah, that is That is the finished product of your brand new thing. Your wall shelf. It just, you know, goes on a wall like that. Looks pretty cool. I like it. I am satisfied with this product. I actually am trying to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.